Hi, day 494. This is the end of the day 494. Today's day was quite productive, I say. So, from now on, from this video onwards, I'll be mentioning, things that I did better than yesterday so that, there's some positivity in the video, and also for me, I can, keep track of what I did good. So, I today went to gym again and I completed my mark of 10,000 steps in one go. It took me 1 hour 38 minutes to 1 hour 40 minutes time, and I did it finally. Uh, Genuinely, it felt amazing to that I pushed myself so much. And if you see it from the study standpoint or my upskilling standpoint, it didn't work so well in those areas. Perhaps I got too relaxed, and I know you haven't seen the full long form videos of day 496 and 495. To be honest, I wanted to record some of the bit today and just paste them as day 496 and 495 respectively. But I thought that no, I'm not gonna cheat on my audience, even though there is no audience as of yet. But I'm not gonna cheat on myself. I didn't record it. I was sloppy, and yes, I fucked up. So I'll try to give you a review on what happened on day 496 and 495. So on 496, it was like a day before my exam, and I was fully panicking, and I was studying, but the avoidance behavior of mine just kept fucking with me, and prevented me from studying. And I'm saying it like some outer world shit is preventing me to study. No, it was my own shit. I was like, I don't know, I was doing everything except studying. But um, but somehow I managed to do almost 2 modules, and I went with only 50% preparation of the exam. And the next day, the exams went surprisingly well. I am expecting some good marks in the exam because the question, luckily, they came from first 2 modules like a lot. And so yeah, I might score good marks, in that. And from that, and let me tell you other things. And I went to a pub yesterday. It was an amazing experience for me. The food was good, and I had some drinks. It was my first time having drinks in pub, so that was an experience in itself. I met a lot of guys from my batch. I had a really good interactions with them, and yeah. And I watched 2 movies yesterday. I rewatched Goodfellas because I love watching Martin Scorsese's movie. And as we speak, I was watching The Irishman. I mean, Goodfellas, Irishman, and The Silence by Martin Scorsese are some of my favorite movies. Um, I don't know if you can hear me or not because the fan is spinning pretty fast. But I'm speaking as loudly as possible so that the mic catches the voice of mine. So that's about it of these 2 days, and as of today, nothing productive happened except the gym. And again, I'm struggling to wake up again, so I have to get back to my cycle. I mean, I have to keep it on my track, and honestly, it's getting a little bit hard. I know it's just a beginning, but it's almost a week into the challenge, and I'm still not on the track of getting to a better routine and not getting to a better routine. I am now conflicted about the idea of excusing yourself, or just keeping yourself motivated. I mean, there's like a thin line. I mean, I don't want to like leave the effort just because I had some imperfect days or some bad days. But I just don't want to give myself an excuse. Yeah, okay, it's not gonna be perfect or it's not gonna be good, but you have to keep at it. I can keep at it without doing anything also. Yes, I did, like I had 5 tasks. I did one half, that too one task out of that too half-assed it, and still it will be told that I kept going. I don't want that to happen. I want myself to I want to see myself completing at least a good chunk of tasks that I assigned to myself. And I need to journal a little more. I didn't read anything, and I didn't journal. It's been days since I journaled. I journaled a little bit just right now before that. And yeah, I feel like I'm getting lazy. I don't want that to happen. It's my worst fear to get lazy. So yeah, that's about it for today. And I think if there's something else, I'll just record it and paste it. I'm sleepy now. Oh. So I'll have to go. So good night, and just remember one thing: a bad start doesn't mean a bad end. That's the thing that's keeping me going, and I hope it will keep you going too. Thank you. Bye. Good night.